Tutigarite ase county ya Kisii andi niringa ebunge ye county ya Kisii niko yanyene ko bagiye kwenda aso mutumuko mutambi gwika umutinyi ukabire umwako gocha korengana amuna ababunga abo niko bachire umutumuko ase banyako bakuburigu banyako bakwenda ase chiwodi cyabo ide banyako bakurigeria amagendero ali banyako bakorera abananchi babo ase keke banyako bakobera abisi nabo iko banyako bakuigwa ibirengererio y'abantu babo ngange ntukikeri baganiti gokorerwa amona ba MC abo bachire umutumuko
Recess ne rusere ntambe uchakarero mpaka sumutinyu kabiri tariki 13 goene ngakingi y'abaheshimiwa bonsi bakogenda ase family cyabo nabo igo bagenda saba benshi bari babachorete bari gerdinga gento kiya korekanere for the last 1 year nabo igo kigenda to korekane ground elinde baere sawa naishi mbati bani wale chinga kichingi yacho kuri form uchisa wanafunzi wao cha kwenda to school next year to amend a bursary allocation from 3 million to 5 million. And last financial year, to amend the secondary schools, bursaries to secondary schools, yoka. Lakini second to increase the allocation to 5 million. Good story kwa aba nafunzi balibare vocational training centers. Na mangana budget to atwala issues ya public service board. Ekine kinkia era now we have a new public service board go wananchi wao kwa Marigas.
There is some market you want to get the program to avoid the program to Kora. I want to know that which you can do it. If you are going to the one way they let us go to Chikura, to Cavalier, to do it for Kora, decide to work to make it the state budgets. As a program to get to 2 million around the Tonkianda. The teacher program to manage school, to Jamanaya March, Chipara, Chintari. No Chichi to Tierra, Pamela. Then I don't have the government to Chipura, to Bagana, Yamon, and then with the same work Vegas. I'm working on one, I'm going to carry out our MCA once, and though you are not to as to work for 5, Chia Torai, Namaru, is saying the opera
for the assembly calendar, as Casomadio, and we will never tell what you will be Casomadio, what speech needed. To its budget, because of the budget, to have reported in place. Now we go in the Kenya to an anniversary. As I say, it was going to transform this bursary. This year, I took millions of dollars, now we go only to social care and to Parigasi. And as the Kenya says, preparatory assembly to the water activity committee structure for it. No one committee to a budget, which I could moja kuta katoro mwana yoko kati level officers. The committee ya labor ni wati kesi kwa wangu. Iko committee activities structure kwa ya resident kiko chote. Ila asa mwana yama ndio yako tukabala usikia sasa hiyo tukiko kwa wiki ya tatu. Hawa heshima baba warolo aso kuchukora na chukua resi ya rosi kutoka standards chukua kitu kwa rosi. Ndio kwa ndio kieye hawa heshima bandu wa program cha kuleta si medical camps. Mora medical camps ya maina choro na sema wira wao abatibi sunara kuchukua kila kitu kwa waizana kawaida kila kitu kuchukua nini na wao kwa wase assembly ya usongo ndio watu mwoberio kwa kuchukua na watu wote kwa nyara Christmas ndio ni kwa kuchukua asenga PSS kwa sababu ndio tupata nina wananchi wetu kwa rega asili ya ili ya torore na kusipige account yetu ndio na kuchukua kila kitu kwa njia watu wao Merry Christmas and happy